Welding is a large issue and welding fumes are so dangerous. To protect from welding fumes, Saviour launches a unique product called the Saviour Auto-Darkening Welding Respiratory System. The welding quality can be so much increased if the welder doesn't have to lift his visor up and down again and again. And that is why we have come out with an auto-darkening welding visor. But not only that, we have assisted the auto-darkening welding visor with a powered air purifier. The powered air purifier basically filters the welding fumes and delivers clean breathing air to the welder. It's so effective, enhances productivity, enhances quality, and is very cost effective. The welder does not have to manually change the shade. The helmet automatically adapts to the welding shades required from 9D to 13D, and that is why the Saviour Welding Papr is one of the best solutions. Let's look at the entire system, how it is worn. The welding Papr looks like this. The Papr unit, the filtration unit, sits conveniently on the back, is ergonomically good, and this is how you wear the welding face shield and start working. If it's green, it's working. If it's not green, it blinks red or orange. Change the battery or change the filter. Saviour Welding Papr.